Hello friends. Hello friends. Uh, so from today onwards, actually I'm going to develop these applications. So you can see this is an e-commerce application. So from here actually you can view these things. You can view these details. You can add products into cart, and if you go to the cart, then you can look. You can see this, and you can give value, how many cards updated, how many numbers, how many things you want to purchase. And then if you give checkout, then the login screen will come that you must log in with the applications. Okay, then go to that, then go to checkout. Now you can fill up your details. Okay, so which country you are, all those details if you give. Then place order. Sorry, well, you need to give a phone number. Then just place orders, and you see that we have received order, and it will be delivered in next 3 days. So you can see this is the whole applications I am going to build one by one. So this applications is built with. Now there is another few things. If you select mobile, only mobile will come. Okay, so now again go to home screen. If you see games, there is no games at right now, so it is blank. And then there is computer, which computer you want to purchase. Then there is house. Okay, so again like this, if you give checkout options, you need to fill up details and you can give the order. Now here is the product list. What are the products here? Here if you check the mobiles, only mobile will be shorted. So if you select here computer, only computer will be sorted. And if you select house, only house will be sorted. House material will be sorted. So this is the whole application actually. So another important thing which that is admin. Okay, so in admin section actually this is the sections from where you can manage your product details. Okay, suppose you, if you add here, give product name, you add name, current stock, category, all those things details. You give the product description, choose a file, and if you give upload this, it will comes in this page. Okay, you will give the reflection in this page. So here also you can select new products and all those, and this is the product details which are there. You can edit these product details, you can delete this product. Okay, so this is the descriptions. You can choose this pressure cooker and all those things. This is the order, how the order can be maintained. If you click here, orders. Okay, so okay, this part I will show you. This is not working, or okay, I will check that. Yeah, okay, yeah, it has opened. So you can see that here the order details which I have given order, that 981 rupees. So from which address it has come, customer name and info, all those are were blank. So that's why. So this is the order. You can see that who has given the order. Here is the category. So which category you just want to check. Icons color you can change. So all the colors here you are seeing in the background color, you can change it from here also. That all the time you do not It is not necessary that all the time the site looks the same, right? So you need to, you can change it from your admin panel also. Suppose let me show, okay, mobile color is right this. So suppose let me do that mobile color background green or purple. Okay, and if I update it, okay, now you can see the mobile background color. Okay, so this color, this mobile is now this color, right? Now it should be purple. Look, this is purple now. So by in this way you can change this. Okay, so this is the user details. Only this is my user ID and passwords are given now. So okay, now the main point which I am going to tell you, that is we have built these applications. I have built these applications with Node.js, AngularJS, and MongoDB. Okay, and we have we will deploy the application, the whole application we will deploy it, and we will see how it works. Okay, so this is just the introduction video which we are going to build and uh, how we will build. Okay, so friends, if you learn the entire things, if you want to know the entire things in details, please subscribe the channel, so that I am giving the video one by one. I will upload it in front of you. I will also share the code base with you. Okay, so please follow the channel, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.